And now, the funny noises that I made while looking at pictures of animals.
Why would somebody put me back in the water?